bottom of the boat.
Aren't you supposed to be on the outside of those yellow things? Hi! I love waving at people! They always wave back, they're so nice. Can I end the video?
No. Look at it, get it, make sure it takes more pictures.
I haven't.
Get it, go behind to get a picture with me in it. Or stop the video and take a stop the video.
No, why?
We just passed that big ass boat back there, show them. No, we're gonna pass it again. Cut the video, we'll do it again. We got a bunch of fans up there. Here, hold it.
Yes.
Hold it.
Choo choo!
Hold it.
Got a bunch of fans.
We're about to drag race this boat. Gotta get behind it first. We're gonna be accelerating kind of fast. There's a whoa, yeah. We did this once already, but it was so fun.
Oh my god. Ooh, there's a bee, go, go!
Shit! Hey, stop!
Go,
Stop, it's gone. Oh, we just let the big waves go front of us.
Oh man.
Alright, take a video of this.
That
Look.
bee was fully on me.
Look, we're behind the boat.
Fair and square.
Alright, ready? Wait. We're gonna just creep behind, we got some fans watching.
Yeah.
Mild speed, we're right now, we're going kind of fast minute. Right around this corner, we're gonna get it. Alright, go. Ready? Set, go! I don't think I was looking at the waves. I don't know if you want to take crabs, you can.
Go farther away.
I haven't even gotten full speed yet, and we're roasting this.
Ah! Whoa. Whoa. I love going fast! Every time I lift the phone, I turn it, it goes flat. We just flew in front of that. Because it has really big waves, as you can see. Point to Jesse. What?
Doesn't work.
Watch it.
Biggest waves we've ever seen are right behind us. Right over there. Where's the bridge? It's covering the sun from us.
Go!
Look, can you see those on the camera? Look. Can you see them?
I don't know.
They are huge. There's a jet skier going.
I don't want to get stuck in them. Nico, go! I'm ending it.
Can you see the waves?
I don't know.
Huge waves right behind us. If we get stuck, we may sink.
What?
Yeah. What do you think? Look.
Go, please go, Nico, go.
Show up. I will go. You see that?
Go! Ah, let's do it! Nico, go!
And we run out of gas now. We're screwed. Look, it's right there.
Oh my god, go!
Show it. Just show it. And that's our race, and that's racing. One last race. Ready? Those waves are coming right for us, boys. Wavy waters, I can't go full speed. the bridge?
I don't know.
What the hell? Do you not
Oh,
see-
no, don't go. Don't keep going that way, Nico.
Alright, wait, it's probably around there.
Yeah, it's back there.
It's a big bridge, you can't miss it.
Nico, I don't want to run out of gas. See, I'm ending it.
Alright. As you can see, we're in the middle of the sea. Where's my hat?
In there.
And we're lost. We went too far. We don't know where to go. And that big boat's all the way back there. And we're lost. We're lost! Ah! And look, the fuel gas thing doesn't work, so we don't know how much gas we have. And then our radio doesn't work. And we got nothing. So hopefully our gas doesn't.
We have no food. Very little water.
We may be stuck at sea for days. But we'll see you on the other side. I'll try. Captain Nico will get us there safely. And look, the open sea shows them around.
Very wavy.
There's so many random waves. Show the Finland flag again. Maybe we go to Rena's and ask for a credit card to get gas.
Hold it.
Cruising through the waters on our way back to Turku Center, the harbor. Turku Harbor. Been going fast for a while. After getting lost, we have to go back the long way because we didn't find the shortcut ways, but we still got gas. Yeah. All is good, just going to the left of the green and to the right of the red. Nice and smooth, and I got cameraman in there resting on it to keep the front down so we can go a little bit faster. So very fun, beautiful. I can't tell you how beautiful it is. Alright, thank you. Kilometers. Turku Harbor. Drove all the way here. Oh yeah. That's the Turku Harbor. Turku Satama. Kiitos paljon ja tervetuloa.
We've lost gas.
Wait. Well, guess what? We ran out of gas.
Right as we parked.
We came through this river thinking to say hi. Our mom and aunt are over there, like right down that street. So we thought to park. Right when I was reversing it, and right when I put in neutral to like stop, the whole engine boom, 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 boom. And then I thought, okay, maybe because there's a neutral. I tried to restart it. Nope. We out of gas, and we were super far out in the sea, so we are like so lucky, like right when we got here. So then
Stop flipping the camera.
so then she runs
As fast as I could.
to go get the aunt, and they come here to check that we're okay, and now they go to a store called ABC to
Get us food.
they have to buy a canister and then put gas in the canister, and then we have to have it and then fill it in there and then see if it works. And they may get cookies also. So what fun. It's 11 p.m. at night, and we left the island at like
8:15.
8:30.
Potato potatoes 2 hours
8:30.
ago.
So hour and a half of driving, and now we kaput.
Our grandma and grandpa are mad.
Yeah, they're the ones at the island.
Not at me. That's right.
Well, we didn't end up making it, so we're gonna wait for them to come back and then fill her up. But it's a nice view, at least 11 o'clock in center of Turku with the river, crazy guys everywhere, and birds in the bushes or something. Alright. We still been sitting here for a long time, still stranded, still waiting, but the lights just came on. Whoa, whoa. Now we got a show. Look how nice. Oh, 11:07 p.m. right now. Soon it's gonna get dark, and we got navigation lights we'll turn on when we leave, if we ever get to that point. Hopefully we will. But so nice.
Put that in the Golden Children region.
Still stuck.
Tired.
Said there's a party boat.
At
Word.
11:15 at night.
A little later than that. Well, you can see we are in Finland, but there's still no gas, still stranded,
No
and getting later and later. But it's fun. Get the gas. Okay.
Yes. And then you empty them?
Hold it.
You think it's not the gas, but I think you said it's the gas.
You think it's not the gas?
I don't know, he said how can it be? Yeah, Nuki said you were only supposed to go one time around island.
Couple times. Rena, how do you feel about this?
I have used this video on us, so so the main thing is that you are okay. Here is how you kerros. And I will come with you to the gas station, and your mom will drive there, and we put more gas. You go to the gas station, we put a little bit more.
How do you feel about this?
So then you get some heat. So you need the gas station, because then you get summer home, and Uki have to leave from there to get more gas.
Phone died, and then no more video recording after that. But as you heard,
Good, super good, super good, super good, alle super good, super good, super good, super good, alle super good, good.